Hello, today we're going to simplify and compare expressions. So we'll be given different expressions that look something like this. We'll have some sort of brackets that we need to utilize, and then just simplify down to a single number. So following order of operations, we know we need to do those grouping symbols first. So we're going to do the simplify the absolute value. So 4 minus 6 gives us -2, so this becomes 9 minus the absolute value of -2. We know the absolute value of -2 is +2, so that simplifies to 9 minus 2, which gives us an answer of 7. Here's another example with a few more steps. So following order of operations again says we have to start inside our brackets and then further inside those parentheses. So the inside of our brackets becomes 3 plus -2. That is really just 3 minus 2, so we have 5 times 2 plus 1. And then order of operations say multiply before you add, so we have 10 plus 1, so we get 11. Here's another absolute value problem. Simplify inside those absolute value bars gives us 10 times 3 times the absolute value of -6. Simplifying absolute value gives us 10 times 3 times 6, and then order of operations say just multiply left to right now, so we have 10 times 3 times 6, which gives us 180. Please simplify this. Okay, here's a little more complicated problem. When we have a fraction, remember we are going to simplify the numerator before we do anything with the denominator. So on our numerator, order of operations says our bracket, so 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. Then we have 4 cubed plus 6. 4 cubed is 64 plus 6 gives us 70. And then our denominator, we do 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And our final step is to take our numerator divided by our denominator, which gives us 10. I'd like you guys to simplify this problem. And lastly, we're going to compare some expressions. So you might be given a problem that looks like this, and we need to decide which side is larger, which is smaller. So I'm going to simplify the left side first. Do your parentheses inside the bracket. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. So we have 5 times 8 minus 14, which is 40 minus 14. And that becomes 12 plus 26, which we know is 38. Okay, working on the other side then, again, parentheses first. We have 4 squared plus 7 minus 3 cubed. 16 plus 7 then gives us 23. 3 cubed is 27. So this right side would be a -4. When we go to compare, remember we have to use our inequality symbol. So 38 is greater than -4. If you need a quick reminder, here are your 4 inequality symbols.